Hi everybody, in this video we will show how to do the VLOOKUP function to the left. First, a simple VLOOKUP. I need to calculate what the sales in the month March. Click where I want to get the result, insert the function. I will select the category lookup and reference. And I'll select VLOOKUP function. The first line is a matching character, in our case the name of the month, so March. The second line is the table being searched, in our case I'll select the range B5, C16. The third line is the column number from which I want to take the result. In our case, it is the second column. In the last line, I will put the logical value false because I am looking for exactly the same matching character, that is exactly the same month name. We confirm OK, and the result is 30,000. Question: if I wanted to calculate in which month was the sale 30,000, the VLOOKUP function looks for the matching character in the leftmost column. But what we notice is that VLOOKUP doesn't actually search this table, but an array that looks like this. We can show this by the fact that when I select the second line of the function in edit mode and press F9, it will also be typed. I can see that there's an array there. I can tell by the curly brackets. Take a good look at what the column separator of the array is in your Excel. In mine, it's a backslash. It depends on the regional settings. If we could create an array inside the VLOOKUP function according to our requirements, then we could VLOOKUP from the right to the left. I will insert the function from the lookup and reference category, the VLOOKUP function. The pairing character will be 30,000. Since the VLOOKUP function cannot be used directly from the right to left, I have to create an array using the nested choose function from the lookup and reference category. In this function, I said that I want to create an array, that is, I put curly brackets the first column, then the column separator of the array, which is in your Excel. In the first column, I'll put the search values for the matching character, and in the second column, I'll put the month names. I can see what a field looks like here. I'll be sure to go back to the VLOOKUP function and finish it up. I'll confirm and get the result. When I look at the VLOOKUP function, we'll check the choose function for a better understanding. I'll select the function and press F9 again. We can see an array created where the first column is the matching character, so sales, and the second column is what the result of the calculation will be. This is simply how the VLOOKUP function can work from right to left. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like the video, please support me by subscribing, rating or commenting. Bye.